everyone. Today we're going to be checking out our new car door handle.
This interior door handle is OEM level comparable to form and function. So this is going to allow it to fit as an original. It will accurately match your driver door mount and gear. This installation is also extremely easy and brief, without replacing the whole door panel. With this kit, the door's function can be restored as new. It is compatible with a wide variety of different cars. 2007 to 2013 Chevy Silverado 1500, Tahoe, Avalanche, Suburban 1500, Suburban 2500, 2007 to 2014 Chevy Silverado 2500 HD, 3500 HD, 2007 to 2013 GMC Sierra 1500, Yukon XL 1500, Yukon XL 2500, and then in 07 to 14 GMC Sierra 2500 HD, 3500 HD, and a 2007, 2008, 2009, 10, and 11 Cadillac Escalade, ESV, and EXT. This door handle was strictly tested, so it's going to ensure its stability on performance and perfect quality. This is an excellent and reliable handle repair set, and it includes all the parts necessary.